Hi viewers, welcome back to Mithramma IT YouTube channel. In this video, we're discussing about how to create is select in Azure Data Factory. I will explain you how to use the select in Azure Data Factory and Azure Data Flow. Yeah. Now go to our Azure portal. Now I'm in Azure portal. Go to our resource groups. Now I'm resource group as Data Factory resource group. In this, I'm go to resource group services. What the resource group having the different services, which is having a database server and a database server and database and storage account and data factory. I'm open the storage account and data factory in the new tabs. This is our storage account. The storage account having container. The container having the two containers. One is for input. The input container having some files. Okay, go for container. Output container having doesn't in no any files. Okay, now go to containers. Now go to your data factory. Now in this I am creating one select statement. Okay, how to create it as select statement in Azure data factory, I will show you. I will demonstrate you. While creating a select statement in Azure data factory, you must create a data flow. For it, create a new data flow. Yeah, just I want to go for extend it. Yeah, that's good to go. Before going to that, I want to dismiss all this. Yeah, you can see this is our data flow, right? Just to collapse this one. Yeah, this is our data flow. Just click on here. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to just drag this much. Yeah, it's looking good. Now I'm giving the data sets, right? Before I'm getting selecting data set, I'm not having any data sets. Just click on here, the file having in blob storage. Click on blob storage and continue. The delimited text, the file having the delimited text. Click on this format. I'm giving the link service as a new. Now block storage 1 2 and subscription will be the free trial. Storage name will be the HTML storage. And before going to that, just check the connection of your link service. Just is successfully connection. Goes create it. Or link service will be successfully created. Just now, what I'm trying to do, you just select the our file. Which file you want to do select. Okay, just do it. Yeah, just select the employee. Just click on OK. Okay, just click on OK. Right, our data set will be set for the source. Now I'm just giving as the employee name. Okay, now what I'm trying to do, now I'm selecting plus icon and I just select the select. Okay, in this select, what I'm trying to do is, okay, you can see the output stream will be the select one. The description there is given default. The incoming stream is employee is incoming stream to the output stream, right? You must. If you want to select another one, if your data will be don't get in output sync. Okay, you can also see the preview of your data preview. You can go to refresh it. Okay, you can see employee ID, employee name, sorry, employee roll number, employee name, and role, salary, and joining date, and working location, right? You select, go for select. Select, you can preview also. You can get the same result because I am not giving any settings or optimizations in the selecting part, right? You can get the same what you are getting in the employee. Now in the select, go for select setting. In this, what I'm trying to do is the select statement. I want employee ID. Yeah, I want require employee ID and employee name. I want required. I want to share this data to our manager. Okay, for who working in the what location and what is the role. Okay, that's why I'm sharing. If I'm not required salary, okay, that's why I'm clicking on salary and joining it. I'm not required these two. Just to select this and delete these files on salary and join in date. I'm deleting it. Okay, what am I having? Just control set. It's not required. Reset it again. Okay, I'm just deleting these two files which are salary and not required for my a manager. As a required the employee and ID and role and working location. It's required for my manager. That's why the remaining files will be I'm deleted. Just click on delete. Okay, this is the files I have. Just click on the preview of data. You can see. Just refresh it. Okay, you can see employee ID, name, the role, and work location. You can. This is a way you can select use a select statement. Okay, this is a way you can use select in data factory. You can deleting it. We can delete and adjusting. Okay, if you want this role here and here, this employee name this side. Okay, if you want location here this side, just go for setting. Just drag this one. You can see I want first employee name, not employee ID. Just go for here, drag. No, you just drag this for employee, drag this side. Why it's not happening? Just drag employee ID. No, no, no. Just from here. Yeah, from click on here at the beginning, middle of the arrow. Drag employee ID in the second place. Yeah, first name is employee name and ID. I want to give the location as first preference. No, no, I want to give the role as first. Role as first. Yeah, employee name and role. Yeah, you can drag this value. You can see output preview. Refresh it. First as employee name, the role, and employee ID and work location. Sorry, I think there's no. Yeah, work location, right? You can see. I think observe it. Can this is the benefit of using select in Azure Data Factory. Can existing our columns according to your requirement, and you can more delete what of requiring to column of not required that columns. Okay, can employee and role and employee ID and workspace if you want to change according to yourself. Okay, this is the options we are adding this much. And optimization I actually know for the single partitioning I am using single partition name. This is a preview of data you are getting output. See now what I'm trying to do, I'm giving as a to this is a source as a operation you are doing. Now what I'm trying to do, just I'm giving a select tab for sync for destination part. Select the sync. Now in the sync you must give the data set, right? Just click on data set, click on new blob storage, continue, delimited text format I want, continue. The link service click as the same because both are in the same service which is called blob storage service, data lake storage service. Just I want to click the path which is output sync. There is no files in it. Just click on OK. Header, keep it header from the connection store. Click on OK. Now our storage set also will be data set will be created for our sync. Okay, just validate it. It's no errors, right? Just click on close. Now what I'm trying to do, just to create a pipeline. Sorry, cancel it. Just create a new pipeline. What I'm trying to do next, just to collapse this, drag our data flow to the data pipeline. Yeah. Now what I'm trying to do, just now again validate it. There is no errors. Close it. Okay. Now publish all your data flow and pipelines. Pipeline, data flow, and data sets. Publish it. Okay. Yeah, it's published successfully. Just okay, monitoring also. You can go for monitoring part. Not I'm not trigger run now. Yeah. Go to our author. Just now trigger now. Click on trigger now. Just click on OK. Our data flow is now triggering. is running right now. Just go for monitoring part. You can check here our data pipeline is now trigger is in progress. Triggering in progress. Just wait. If you want to refresh it, refresh. When successful, you get a storage output sync have file. Still not have any file, right? Just it's when it's successful, you get the file to our storage account by using the what you're doing in this pipeline. You're doing the pipeline having the source and destination in between the data flow having the select. The before video is a derived column. Then now select. Next video we go through both derived and select. Yeah. Okay, I will show you next video. Now it's still in progress. I think it approximately taking 3 minutes as similar as before video. Just wait. How much it take? Just refresh. Depends upon the priority of your network connectivity and also on your geographical locations. It's depend on. Just wait. It's still in progress. Also verified output. There is no file in output sync. Just is in still progress. Just refresh it. Refresh it. Refresh. From 1 minute 55 seconds, it's still in progress. 2 minutes 44 seconds, it's still in progress. It still is in progress of your data pipeline. The pipeline having data flow. The data flow having source and destination and select. Okay. I think you got an idea and understanding about derived column in the previous video and then this video having a select. Okay. It's still running. The pipeline is still on progress or still on running. When successfully completed, you can see the end time of a pipeline runs. It's triggering time, it's trigger end time. Trigger starts time, trigger end time. I think it takes approximately also 4 minutes. I think so. I think it's needed. It seems to close to your previous one. Trigger time. Just refresh. It's near close. Just 1 second difference between the previous one, derived one column and select column. Select. Again, it's 3 minutes 34 seconds. It's still in progress. Our pipeline is too with time to run it. Okay. Okay, just wait. You have patience, so much patience we have. That's why you are data engineers. Right guys? Just refresh it again. Still is in progress. Please be wait. I'm wait. It still is in progress. It's 4 minutes 10 seconds. Yeah. Our pipeline is successfully run. Okay. Now go to our output all container. Go to container, output sync. You can see there's one success file and the part of your output file. You can see and edit it. What is the output? You can see output containing employee name, role, which are data analyst or data engineer, analyst, engineers, and who working in the location where the employee ID is there. Okay. The university having is administrator. He's working in I think India. Yes. Who working in India? University, and Lakshminarana, who is a data scientist working in India, and administrator is working in India. The remaining all data engineers and data analysts are working in USA, Canada, and Germany. Okay, this is the data I want to share to my manager. The next video we go through both derived column and sort, select. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.